guys on the floor. But this is from our 3D printer. And I broke it when I was taking it apart. You might be wondering, why do you have to take it apart? You have to like peel this off. And it's just so hard. And this takes forever. I'm very upset I just broke it. If you can see that little loose ring, that's why it's broken. I just screwed it down.